Hey guys, so today we're going to be talking about waypoints, so if you're interested, stay tuned. So we finally got the coveted waypoint update, and if you recall, I believe Elon said he would do this for us at the Plaid revealing. And so basically it's finally here. And so today I'm going to give you a tutorial on how it works. And there are some quirks and some limitations to waypoints right now, so I'll show you what those are as well. So let's just start and do a waypoint, destination. So one thing right off the bat actually is you have to do the waypoints in reverse. And so that is a limitation, so I'll show you what I'm talking about. So if we go to the navigation here, let's pretend we want to go to Apple, like an Apple place to pick apples. So we're going to put that in. You get your navigation like normal. And then let's say you do the spur of the moment thing. You go, oh, you know what? I want to get donuts on the way to the Apple place. And so I'll add that waypoint in a second. But before I do that, let me show you something. So when you put in your navigation, if your navigation looks like this, and you don't see the waypoint, which is this at the top, this plus sign. So if it looks like this, and you're like, how do I get to the waypoint? I can't hit it up here. All you need to do is just hit the screen anywhere, and then the waypoint will show up. So how you add waypoints is you hit this plus sign here, and then you can add whatever waypoint you want. So like I said, let's go get donuts on the way. So let's go to Krispy Kreme. And so once it loads that, now you've got your waypoint to Krispy Kreme and then the Apple place. So if you'll notice, one of the limitations is you have to do it in reverse, which is sort of weird. So I started with the end-to-end destination, the apple picking farm, and then I went backwards and put in Krispy Kreme. And so for right now, that's how you have to do it. You can't do it in the other way, in the other order where you put in Krispy Kreme and then the Apple place, and I'll show you why and what the actual system does. So right now you've got navigation from where my location now to Krispy Kreme, and you'll see that's in blue. So that's where you're going to go, and the waypoint is Krispy Kreme, and then after that it's going to be black, and that's the after the waypoint, the second stop to the apple picking farm. So that's going to be in black here, and so that's how you know the direction that you're going to be going. So that's how you do waypoints. So like I mentioned, let's do it the other way. So if I go, hey, I want to go to Krispy Kreme. Okay, we'll go to Krispy Kreme. It loads the directions like normal. And then we add the waypoint, let's say spur of the moment. Oh, we want to go to pick apples. Pick apples here. And so what it does is, like I said, it does it in reverse. So it goes, okay, well, let's go to the apple picking place first and then go to Krispy Kreme. So what it's going to do is going to route you here in the blue, since my car doesn't have enough juice, to the supercharger station, and then black here all the way up to the apple picking farm, and then it's going to route you back down this way to Krispy Kreme. So that is a limitation where basically you have to do it in reverse. So just remember that. Another note too is, so you see the waypoints here. Right now you can't do anything with them. They're just there. So if you mess up and you decide you want to go somewhere that is not on the way, or is on the way, but you have to do it in this reverse order, like I said, the only way you can fix that is just to cancel and then redo it. So we just do that. Okay, let's go to Apple picking farm, and then we'll go to Krispy Kreme. And now we've got it set up in the correct way where, come on. Hey. Wow. Where, now you've got Krispy Kreme as a waypoint, and then the apple picking farm, and it's set up correctly. So like I said, this is kind of a limitation right now because you can only do it in reverse, and you can't actually like switch the waypoints once you put them in or order them how you want to get the navigation to, route you in the right direction. So it is kind of a limitation. I think this is probably maybe why Elon was kind of hesitant to put in waypoints to begin with, because I don't think it's super easy to do. It seems like it's kind of complicated. So the waypoints we have now are pretty basic, as you can see. It works if you know how to use it in the, I guess, proper way that they've set it up right now. And so hopefully they will add that, at least switching the waypoints in a future update. But Again, I'm not an engineer, so I don't know how complicated that is, and it could be complicated, and maybe that's why we have kind of this kind of basic waypoint selection right now, but that's how it works right now. And so hopefully that helped you understand how to use waypoints and how to use it with Tesla's system right now. If you thought the video was helpful, don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. And thanks for watching.